What if I told you that your money could start working for you, paying you every single month without you doing anything at all? No hustle, no trading, just real money hitting your account again and again. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. It's called dividend investing, and it's one of the most powerful yet underrated ways to build passive income and long-term wealth. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 beginner-friendly dividend stocks you can buy and hold forever. These aren't risky bets or overnight schemes. These are solid, proven companies that have been rewarding their investors with real cash for decades. Even if you're a total beginner, you'll leave this video knowing exactly where to start and how to begin earning income while you sleep. Let's dive in. What are dividend stocks? Why should beginners care? Let's break it down. What exactly is a dividend stock? A dividend stock is simply a company that shares its profits with you, the investor. Instead of keeping all their earnings, they pay out a portion, called a dividend, usually every 3 months or even monthly in some cases. Let me give you a real-world example. Imagine owning just 20 shares of a company like Coca-Cola. If they pay $1.84 per share every year in dividends, that's $36.80 coming into your account every year just for holding the stock. Now multiply that by years of growth, reinvestment, and stock price appreciation, and you start to see how people build serious wealth. Why is this perfect for beginners? Because dividend-paying companies tend to be stable, profitable, and often leaders in their industries. These aren't risky startups. These are giants in sectors like healthcare, food, beverages, and real estate. They've been around for decades, and they plan to stay. Now here's the key. We're not just chasing the highest dividend. We're looking for consistency, strong financials, long-term dividend growth, businesses that are easy to understand. Because let's be real, as beginners, we don't want to stress about stock charts and Wall Street jargon. We want reliable income and long-term growth, and that's exactly what the next 5 companies offer. Up next, the first stock on our list is so reliable. 1. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, the Dividend King. Let's start with a stock that's as solid as they come, Johnson & Johnson. This company is a healthcare giant. You've definitely used at least one of their products, from Band-Aids to baby lotion to Tylenol. But what you may not know is that J&J also owns massive pharmaceutical and medical device businesses. Now here's why beginners love this stock. Years of uninterrupted dividend increases. It has survived recessions, pandemics, and market crashes. Healthcare is always in demand, whether the economy is up or down. J&J currently offers a dividend yield of around 2.9%, which may not seem huge, but the magic is in the consistency. Every single year, they raise that dividend a bit more. This is what we call a dividend king, a title given to companies that have increased dividends for over 50 consecutive years. So if you're looking for peace of mind and steady income, Johnson & Johnson is one of the best places to start. Number 2. Procter & Gamble. Everyday products, lifelong profits. This company is behind some of the most recognized brands in your home: Tide, Pampers, Gillette, Oral-B. The list goes on. What makes PG special is that it sells essential, everyday items. No matter what's happening in the economy, people still need to brush their teeth, wash their clothes, and take care of their families. Here's why it's great for beginners. Dividend yield around 2.4%. Over 130 years in business, raised its dividend for 67 years in a row. That kind of stability is rare. And because PG has such a diverse product line, it's protected from depending on just one source of income. One product may dip in sales, but others pick up the slack. This makes it a great buy and hold forever stock, perfect for beginner investors who want to sleep easy at night. 3. PepsiCo. Pep, more than just soda. When you hear Pepsi, you probably think of soda, but here's the truth. PepsiCo is much bigger than drinks. This company also owns Lay's, Doritos, Gatorade, Quaker, and Tropicana. That's a powerful combination of snacks and beverages, and it's what makes PepsiCo a dividend powerhouse. Here's what beginners should love about PepsiCo. Dividend yield of around 3%. Over 50 years of consecutive dividend increases. Brands that are staples in homes and stores across the world. And while soda sales have slowed over time, PepsiCo has adapted beautifully. Their snack division actually makes more profit than their beverage division. Talk about smart diversification. PepsiCo's global reach, massive product line, and ability to evolve make it a top pick for long-term dividend investors. It's a stock that not only pays you to hold it, but grows with you over time. 4. Coca-Cola, the classic dividend darling. Number 4 on our list is a name everyone knows, Coca-Cola. This company doesn't just sell soda. It owns Minute Maid, Fanta, Powerade, Dasani, and over 200 other drink brands across more than 200 countries. Here's what makes Coca-Cola a favorite for dividend lovers. Dividend yield around 3.2%, over 60 consecutive years of dividend increases. Simple, recession-proof business model, one of Warren Buffett's largest and longest-held investments. Think about it. No matter where you go in the world, Coca-Cola is there. It's not just a brand, it's a global habit. And habits are hard to break, which means revenue keeps flowing year after year. For beginners, Coca-Cola is a textbook example of a buy and hold forever stock. It's reliable, it grows, and it puts cash in your pocket every quarter. 5. Realty Income, the monthly dividend company. Now let's switch things up a bit. Realty Income is a real estate investment trust, or REIT, which means it owns and rents out commercial properties. And get this, their tenants include Walgreens, Dollar Tree, 7-Eleven, FedEx, and even the US government. That's rock solid. Here's why Realty Income stands out. Monthly dividend payouts, perfect for creating steady cash flow. Dividend yield of around 5.6%, one of the highest on this list. Paid over 640 consecutive monthly dividends, 30-plus years of consistent dividend increases. For beginners who want to see regular income fast, this stock is gold. Whether you're looking to cover a few bills or just want that dopamine hit every month, Realty Income delivers. Plus, it gives you exposure to real estate without actually buying or managing property yourself. No tenants, no toilets, no headaches. If you want passive income you can count on, Realty Income is a brilliant choice for your long-term dividend portfolio.